Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is actually going to be a Ulta spring haul. They just recently had a huge sale. It was over 2 weeks and different items were on sale for both of those weeks. I actually shopped week 1. I did not find too much stuff that was different and new to me that I wanted to try out. There was a lot of brushes from Real Techniques, and I had actually just bought a brand new brush set, so I didn't really need any more brushes, but I did pick up quite a few of items from Flower Beauty that we're going to talk about today, and then a Catrice primer, as well as some Pacifica stuff, which I'm really excited about. And we're just going to kind of do this like try-on style so that you guys can see me trying the products and all of that. I know my hair is still wet. My hair literally takes forever to dry, and I literally got to the end of this makeup look and I was like, I don't really want to wait for my hair to dry, so that's okay. I do have a hair product I'm showing you, and as you can see, it is a beach wavy texture product, and I think it is doing the job. I have used it already prior to this video, and I do love the result it does give me. It does give me a very beachy feel. But without further ado, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, please just keep watching. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and my hair is still wet, and I am going to put on the Pacifica Salty Waves Beach Hair Balm. I love this stuff. The only thing I will say is in this video I'm putting it on my hair damp, and I did find that it did weigh the top of my hair down, and I like my hair to have volume. So I am now changing over to putting it on my hair dry and just at the ends, and it does give my hair a really nice texture without being crunchy or salty. It's very hydrating actually. Next, I'm putting on the Coconut Probiotic Water Rehab Cream from Pacifica Beauty as well. I am in love with this. This is my new go-to moisturizer. It really just makes your skin look so nice, so hydrated. It feels great. It smells great. It smells like coconuts. It kind of transports you on a little vacation. I love it. It's doing wonders for my skin, and I really have been noticing a difference. It's just a really great product, and I'm really obsessed with it. So now we're just going to pick my hair up, because who wants hair on their face while they're doing their makeup? I actually ended up buying 2 different primers. One from Flower Beauty. It's called In Your Prime Hydrating Primer. I really like this one. It's almost like a moisturizer type consistency and is super hydrating for the skin. But we're going to use the Catrice Prime and Fine Nude Glow Primer today. I am on the fence about this one. I just wanted a primer with more of a glow. I wish it did. It does give you a slight glow, but it wasn't really the glow that I was expecting. It's also tinted, so you could use this in the summer months, which is something that I do enjoy about this primer. I just wish it had more glow to it. Next, I am going to take my Eco Tools Beauty Blender and my Crystal Power Hydro Mist from Pacifica. I love this. It smells so nice, so refreshing, like lemongrass. And I'm going to take on that beauty blender my Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I am obsessed with this as well. I feel like a broken record, but this is such a nice foundation. It's super skin-like. It does say it has this nude skin feel, and I do think that that is true. One of my favorite things about this foundation though is that it is buildable. So if you just put a couple drops on your beauty blender, you can almost have a sheer-like finish, like almost a BB cream, but a little bit better than that for, like, you know, a day at the beach or something, you know, a pool, whatever it may be. Or you can put a couple more drops than maybe normal, and you can have a full coverage foundation. It is really so versatile, and I am truly obsessed. You can use it all the time, every occasion. I mean, you cannot really beat that, especially I think this is a $12.99 foundation. I mean, it's great. Next, we're going to go in with the Light Illusion Concealer from Flower Beauty. I am on the fence about this. I mean, I just said I love the foundation, but this, if you do not set this down right away, it is going to crease on you. You will see in a little bit when I do my eyeshadow that it has creased in my eye already. I do like the color of this. I do think it's very brightening. It is a really nice texture. Gives a very natural look to the skin. It just does, like, it just does crease so easy, and that's kind of annoying if you have to like do one eye, set it down, do the other eye, set it down. I mean, it's more annoying than anything. You can work with it. It does have a nice finish, but that's just something to know. I'm going to go in with the Becca Hydra Mist Setting Powder. This has been going around the internet like crazy, and everyone's saying it's so cool, it's this and that, and I have to say I think all those claims are true. It truly is an experience, and you really just have to experience it. This is so nice, and it really sinks all of your makeup into your skin, so it just all becomes one. It's such a nice effect. I love it. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. I love this little product. It's such a nice on-the-go, super quick brows. Just brush them up, but like have a little bit more volume than normal. It's really great. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Nudes palette. I got this palette for $3.50, and I have not put it down since it came in the mail. It is so great. I'm going in with the white shade in the palette just to set down my concealer. If you can see that little crease I was talking about on my left eye. I'm next going to go in with the purpley mauve crease color. I'm so sorry, there are no names for these shadows, so I am just going to have to point and explain the color to you, which is okay. We'll do it. Next, I'm going to go with a deep brown shade on a fluffier brush just to define that outer corner and add some definition to my eye. I really like this technique. I feel like it widens my eyes and makes them look bigger, which I need because I have pretty small eyes, at least compared to the rest of the population, maybe not compared to my face. I'm gonna go in next with this champagne metallic shade just on my finger, all over the lid. I really love this shade. I think it's really beautiful, and all of these colors, honestly, you guys, for $3.50, I think regularly $5.99 for an eyeshadow palette, like, you cannot beat that. Okay, moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and smoke that out with that first crease shade we used, and on the BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. And I'm just going to really smoke that out and add some definition to the eye. Next, I'm going to take that deeper shade on the Vintage Cosmetics Company Go Go Girl brush and just deepen that up. Next, we're going to move on to the face, and I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just bronze up the skin. I love this bronzer. It like makes me so happy just to even smell it. It's an amazing product, and it really makes you look so sun-kissed. It's really nice. Now I'm going to take my go-to butter blush from Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks. I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Highlight and go ahead and pop that on the high points of my face, starting with the cheekbones. Now we're going to the nose and the top of the forehead and the chin and Cupid's bow. I'm going to curl my lashes and then add some liner. This is the LQ liner. I'm not really sure what that stands for, but I like it. I did not know it was green. Oopsie. Now I'm going to take the Double Decker mascara and just pop that on my lashes. I really like this mascara. As you can see, it is really lengthening, and as I just did a side by side, it's a really nice mascara, and you can take it off really easy. It doesn't ruin your lashes. All really great things. After I am done with my eyelashes, I am actually going to put something I got as a sample during the sale, and it's the NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment. It's in American Woman, and I really love this color, this formula, everything. It's matte without being too dry. It just makes your lips look really nice, really juicy. It doesn't bleed. It wears really well, and I hate that I love it because obviously the full-size product is $28, and man. Last but not least, we're going into the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray, and we are done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This is kind of a new type of video for me, and I thought it would be fun to do, like, you know, like kind of like a little mini tutorial, just super straightforward. This is the product, this is what I like, this is what I don't. Here's how I got this look, which I actually really like. I did not know that this liner was green, and I actually when I started putting it on, I was like, shoot, but I kind of like that little pop of green in this like mauvey look. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought about this and if it was a huge mistake and ruined my makeup look or kind of cool. I would love to know your thoughts on that. That completes this video. I had so much fun filming this today. I had so much fun sharing these products with you. That completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you like this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!